with Blizzard on the field. This is a new series we want to start on YouTube. It's a series of shot montages, instructional stuff.
Yeah.
Today is going to be an instructional stuff
on basic stuff about soccer.
Curving, basic stuff, you know.
Okay, well, let's start.
Do you want me to pause it?
No, over here is our part where I'm going to be shooting from. Okay, so first, this is the ball. This is where magic happens. Okay. These are the reasons you play soccer.
Your foot. It's all about foot control, too,
Yeah.
isn't that right, Blizzard?
I mean, every day, I do a drill like this. Or stuff like...
He's been playing soccer self-taught for about 3 months
By the
now.
way, if you were wondering what this is, you put your foot where the ball's at, so...
It's called a step over.
No, this is a step over.
But anyways, guys, let's start.
Alright. First move, step over. Coinky dink.
Twinky dink. We're using a Nike pitch for all of those who are wondering. This isn't a sponsor video for Nike.
Scoop your foot over like this in like a half circle motion and put them back. So, scoop, scoop, scoop.
Show them how it looks when you're walking.
How it looks?
Yeah. Gotta get a better view of it.
You're moving. Scoop, scoop, go.
Now, you gotta talk about stride length as well, too, right?
Well, stride length, it depends on your stride length. But basically, a controlled dribble is foot, your left, right, left, right, left, right. Or depending, it depends. If you're a strong right foot, you do right, left, right, left. If you're a left strong foot, you do left, right, left, right. You always want to start with your strong foot because if you think when you're moving, you kick. And
Sorry, Blizzard just told me
that's how a
something funny.
step over is. Alright, now, the curve. You want to kick like here. So the bottom of the right side to make it go left, bottom left side to make it go right. I'll show you how left looks.
Okay, so I gotta get it in a better position here so that I can see.
So you can just see how
Sorry, the reason I was laughing or giggling is because Blizzard told me something funny.
Yeah.
About,
funny guy.
yeah.
Okay, ready?
He's also a fucking comedian.
Yeah, I'm a man of many things.
Yes, you are.
Get the goal.
Get the goal. Got it, baby. I'm not a beginner at this, I swear.
Just like that. You get a curve that goes off
So
to
is
the
that-
side.
Was that the right curve or the
That was
left
the
curve? Now show him the right curve. The right curve is basically self-explanatory. It's curving to the right side. So it's self-explanatory. I know a little bit about it. I just don't know a whole bunch. So Blizzard's the right person to teach you guys. So it's basically a curve to the right side, right?
Pretty much. Let me show you how it looks.
Get the goal.
Oh, it went over, but
Yeah, sometimes that happens.
it did what it was supposed to.
It curved. We're not gonna cut this just because we messed up. We're not that kind of YouTuber. Unless we mess up really bad. Buttermilk biscuits. Okay.
The last drill I'm going to teach you today is basic form of shooting. How you get the power off your shot. How you get to curve. Where you're going to stand. How you're going to kick.
And don't worry if you don't get it the first time. Blizzard hasn't been practicing for a while, so
3 months straight.
don't feel bad if you don't get
more
it
than
exactly.
that, but still.
Yeah, but don't feel bad if you don't get it exactly.
But basically, what you want to do, I'm going to kick beside the ball. I'm not actually going to kick. but you want to bend your knee. Bend your knee, and then you want to push off, get that leg up, because it looks like this. You just go, just like that.
Sorry.
That's how the kick looks.
My dirty mind softened.
You just go, just like that.
These would be perfect videos to play sex and you end up bingo with, but that's besides the point.
Basically, you want to step up, bend your knee, push off, and once you bend your knee, you already have your foot off the ground, and you want to just kick it straight. You want to just straighten your knee up. Wherever your knee or foot, wherever your foot is pointing by the end of that kick is where it's going. That's a little tip. So if you kick and your foot's this way, it's going out of the goal. If you kick and it's going straight, it's going straight. If you kick it and it's going off to the right, it's going off to the right.
Self-explanatory.
Yeah. So that's the basics of anything. If you have any other questions,
tell
or
them.
concerns,
Actually, I have a question
What's your
for the younger audience.
what's your question?
Tell the parents or because parents might be watching this too because their kid might be getting into soccer. So tell them what ball to basically use. That's the best for you.
You want to use, if you're 5 to 7 years old, you want to get a ball size about 6. This is a ball size 8. This is what most teenagers, youth players use. This is like the basic universal until you get into like bigger leagues and stuff ball, because they make it a little bit bigger. I think they're a size 9 or 10. But this is the basic ball. You want to make sure it's not air filled. It's the spongy one. Like foam, kinda. Jamie's dirty mind again. But
exactly.
yeah,
Guys.
see, it doesn't have.
Show them what
anything
ball you're using now.
This is a Nike Pitch. Where can I find it? It
Nike
says
symbol.
Nike Pitch on it.
Nike
So,
bitch.
I picked this up at Dick's for about $30. You can also get cleats there.
Dicks.
Oh my god. You're concerned about parents.
I know.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's basically, you get a starting pair of cleats for about $50.
Now do my signature intro when recording a phone video.
What's your signature?
Cover your hand. Or hit the ball with the camera, like touch the ball with the camera.
Okay. Well, if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, please write them in the comment section down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
This is Blizzard and Nether signing off.
Alright, see you guys later.